Hello everyone. So I just completed another thing for RPG Builder, which is what I'm calling world position. So let me show you that in the editor. It's under general and world position. It's a very small module of RPG Builder. That's nothing like abilities and stuff. But as you see, it's letting you hold a vector free, so a position. I might add a rotation later. But the use case for that is basically for races. In previous videos, you probably saw me manually type the starting position of a race, and I found it kind of redundant and annoying to have to type the same kind of position again and again when you could literally just save it once and reuse it. So let's go in the testing scene. So this is a testing scene as you see us or see me use most of the time. So let's create a few new start positions so I can show you how it could be used for races. So let's say that we want one race to start right next to the training dummies. Let's create a new start position. So let's call it start pose 1, for example. And let's copy and paste these coordinates, and let's save that. Now let's make another one which will be on this kind of object or wall here, whatever you want to call it. Let's duplicate that. Let's call it start position 2. Copy the values. And that's it. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. I want this to be a very short video. Now let's go back to the main menu. That's not the one I want to go. Okay. So let's open the editor. Let's go to races. So let's say that the dwarf will now start on the position 1. And if we make an orc, it would start on the position 2. Here you see that we also have a starting scene field. This, of course, you could use to, if you want a different scene or world for the starting zone of your races. But for now, let's just save and go in game. So let's make a dwarf. And as you see, we spawn exactly where we just set up this position asset. And let's just close the game, make a new character, which is going to be an orc. And we start, I forgot to remove the sphere, but we start on the wall, as you can see. So once again, very small feature of RPG Builder, but it's just letting you set up some kind of position in the world and reuse them later instead of having to manually type the coordinates. I just showed you one example, which is for races, start position, but you can actually use this later for example, a teleportation. Honestly, I don't have many examples to give you right now for use cases, but I know there are quite a few. So as I keep developing RPG Builder, we will find new use cases. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.